This is the car we're going to be working on today, the 2016 Toyota Camry with a 2.5. We're going to be changing the oil and the oil filter. These are the tools we're going to be using. We're going to be using a jack stand, an oil pan, some tools, and the oil itself. This is the oil we're going to be using. We got Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20. And this is the oil filter we're going to be using. We got K&N part number PS7020. These are the tools we're going to be using. We got a 3/8 ratchet with a long extension, a 14 size socket, oil pan, and some gloves. We had ran into an issue. You actually need this tool to remove the oil filter canister. So we ran into an issue when we were tightening the oil canister. We cracked it and it started leaking oil. We went to a local auto parts. We went to AutoZone and they had an upgrade for another $30, I believe. It's all aluminum. It will last longer and you have to worry if it cracks. Same thing. Don't be afraid of the threads that looks different. This is the part number for it. This is a lesson learned for us as well. Just make sure the threads are tight, even. Don't rush it. Patience, I would say, goes a long way. Don't rush it. If you're gonna rush it, things are just gonna go all wrong real quick. Alright, that's pretty much it. We're gonna be checking the oil levels with the dipstick. We learned about trial and error. As you can see, we cracked the little oil filter thing, and we're pretty much good on the oil.